Welcome everybody, it's another edition of Fun with the Facklers, and this day we're actually in the Grand Canyon and it is November 9th. So always when you visit a national park, the tour should begin at the visitor center.
Welcome to Grand Canyon. This stunning landscape reveals more about Earth's rich geologic history.
And we're back hiking again today. We don't know how far, but if you can't figure out where we are, shame on you. The best thing about living on the road is who you run into in strange places. Look, we run into the Botses. And they also have a YouTube channel called Traveling Outside the Bots. So we decided to take the Bright Angel Trail down into the canyon.
She was, yeah.
Oh yeah? Well, wonder if we'll see any mules on this trip. I bet we don't. Well, everybody, this is where we are, and we are actually with some AT friends. So we're back at Lolly and Pop today, and we are with Botses, and your trail name is?
No worries.
Hot buns.
Hot Buns, that's right. So we first met this couple in, we think Irwin, Tennessee, but they started the trail a little bit before us, and we saw them in at Dragon's Tooth and a few other places like that. So, and now we're back, and you can figure out where we are. It says, "Do not enter, dangerous overlook." Okay, I won't go that way. We'll go this way. And this is a cool part of the trail. At least there's steps. I'll try not to fall, because you only fall here once. Hear the crows and the ravens. And all the shadows. It's interesting, everybody walking the other way huffing and puffing for some reason. This way's easy. Well, we're 4 miles into the trip today, so we're as low as we're going to get. So it's lunchtime. Here's the gang. Just saw a couple bald eagles go by. Well, everyone, we're back in the site of the lodge. So wonder if they have beer in there. I don't know. Let's come in and look around. Well, today we walked 8.4 miles around the canyon and gained close to 1,000 feet. Well, there we go. We saw a sign that says lounge and eating. We'll head that way. Along the South Rim Trail, there's many sights to see. To me, the most interesting was the geological explanation of the Grand Canyon. Quick, Lolly, get your camera. There's a cow elk. A portion of the Arizona Trail runs through the park, so for the next day, let's hike south of the park. And since it's outside the national park, we actually can take a dog with us today, so we're going to have a walking companion. Well, we're now on the Arizona Trail. I don't know how far we're going to go today. We'll just kind of walk like we did yesterday. This is supposed to come to a really cool overlook. We're just outside the national park, and we're actually heading south, and we're only 656 miles from Mexico. There we go. Pretty neat view. And the sun will rise right over top of there. Well, this is a fire tower. I think Lolly will go up. We'll find out. I'm going to go up and see what it looks like.
One step.
There she goes. Don't look down, but that's impossible because it's nothing but holy grates. Over there is where we had lunch. There's the canyon, Grand Canyon, the North Rim. Zoom in, and there it is. Well, the summary for today's walk was 6.9 miles in 2 hours and 46 minutes, and we only gained 245 feet. For the last 3 days, we've been camping just south of the national park, and right around our camp area is a whole group of wild horses. Pretty horses. This is right at our campsite now. Our wild ponies. And there's the south end of a northbound one. And there's one baby, but I don't see it. It's over there someplace. Well, the last 3 or 4 nights have been getting down into low 20s. So what we decided is time to pack up and let's go to Sedonia, where it's a lot warmer. Have a good day, and thank you for tuning in with Fun with the Facklers.